everybody, this is Tina, and I got a package, and it's Stuffy G. Trying to feel where I don't get nothing. So we'll see if I can rip it. Nope. So Steph G sent me this. She said, when she told me that when she saw it, she said, that's for Tina. So thank you, Steph. I don't even know what it is. So let's see. She got me curious. Cute. Oh, look at the Christmas card. Cute. May all the joy and wonderful of this holiday season remain with you always. This is a gift from Stephanie. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. Melanie? Is that how you say your name? I'm really sorry for messed up your name. Melanie? Marlena? Thank you. It's such a cute. All right. Let's see. Steph said when she saw this, she said it was for me. So thank you, Steph. I have no idea. Let's dig in this. Looks like for fun. Got a little. You never outgrow your need for milk. Them are cool. And these are, oh, they're little like size tags. So like size 4, made in USA. Them are cool. I've never seen that type though. That's awesome. Some of these people, I'll be honest with you, I don't know where you guys find this stuff. And of course, it was in a coin envelope. So what's, do they all say the same thing? You never outgrow your milk. Them are cool. Cool. A whole bunch of them in here. Them are so neat. Ugh, remind me of Timmy Holt. And then we have this. Oh my God. The whole thing. You go like this. I remember doing these at my grandpa's best friend. Not, or I don't know if you want to say best friend, but buddy owned a gas station, and when I was little, he would give everybody receipts, and this is how you did it. You'd have the first one, and then you'd write. He used to let me write. That is so cool. I haven't seen one of these in years. That is awesome. And it's new, because look at number 1, 250. Old school, man. That's definitely old school. That's cool. This is fun pack. Some more milk. Makes the body grow. And then we have some, M Food Mart. 107 Northbridge Street, Eden, North Carolina. And then there's a little receipt. North Carolina is gorgeous. So is South Carolina. I said if I had to move somewhere, I'd move to North or South Carolina. I lived there summer in South Carolina with my uncle and aunt. Some little tablet paper, or line paper, however you want to say it. Here's another milk. You never outgrow your milk. And then you have claim ticket. That's cool. Them are neat. Oh, I want to do a layout in my book now. And then we have, oops, some we have some guest checks. Cool. And then we have state alterations on back. Men's alteration tags. And then that's the back. Then we have, this one's plain. Oh, library cards. The Dewey Decimal System. Yep. I wonder, do they even use that anymore in the library? Have that little case where you go through? Or is it all computerized? That'd be cool because I wouldn't mind one of those drawer things. That would be awesome for a craft storage. These are cool. I haven't been in the library in a long time. I didn't have the kids as much as anymore. When I had grandkids, because I live right down the road from a little library in our city, and they have a little lunch program, so I'd take them up for story time at a certain time, and then they could have lunch. It only cost me $1.50. Kids were free, because it was something they did for the kids. Oh, and there's these little cards. These remind me of the cards in Rolodex. Then we got some library cards, some white ones, and some blue library cards. We got a layaway tags, repair tag. They're so cool. And we got some more milk does the body good. No, it says you just never outgrow. I wonder what these are from. I've never seen these. If they were like inside like like the old milk bottles or something. Shake, rattle, and roll. I think it's Yahtzee pieces. And then another one of them. And then just a data supply list little sheets. This is a cool pack. And then tickets we got. I haven't did stuff for tickets in a long time. We got green tickets. We got like a couple different shades of pink tickets. And then we got another one of these claim tickets. We'll stick that right there. We got some blue, some light green, yellow, and like 2 different shades of red. And different ways too. You notice the difference? That's that one to that one. Cool, cool, cool. Now we got some more of those little milk things. A lot of these little milk things. And last but least, oh, we have, there's those like index cards on a sheet like that. That is so cool. I can decorate each one of them. I'm going to save these 2. They're coming off, so I'll just take them off, but I'll leave them together. So, thank you, Stephanie. I love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you for thinking of me. I'm going to have so much fun. And thank you, Marlene. I don't know if she has a YouTube channel. I'll have to ask Stephanie. But thank you, Steph. Marlena. This is so awesome. I can't wait to play it. I'm going to save that envelope because I'm going to hang up my Christmas card. I want to thank you guys. And thank you, Steph. This is awesome. I want to play, but I have plans, so I'll have to wait. You never outgrow your need for milk. That's so cool. So thanks for watching, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Merry Christmas.